Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make mini pancakes. Add 1 cup of plain flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and mix the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 cup warm milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix the wet ingredients. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until there are no lumps. Transfer the batter into a piping bag and pipe small amounts of the batter onto a non-stick pan. Cook each side for around 1 to 2 minutes. You can serve with maple syrup or chocolate sauce or any other topping of your choice.